Welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to remove subtitles from a video using FFmpeg. If you don't know how to install or configure FFmpeg, watch another video in this playlist where I explain the installation process step by step. Now let's get started. Sometimes video files contain subtitle tracks inside them. Let us play the video first, that is used in our example.
Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video,
you can see there is subtitle file. These subtitles can be optional, and many media players allow you to turn them on or off. But in some cases, you may want to remove these subtitle tracks completely. For that, FFmpeg gives us a very simple command. D is the command. Here's how this command works. -I tells FFmpeg which input file to use. In this case, it is my video.mp4 stored in the D drive. -C copy means copy the video and audio streams without re-encoding. This keeps the quality the same and makes the process very fast. -SN tells FFmpeg to drop all subtitle tracks from the output file. And finally, we give the output file name as armoutput.mp4. After running this command, you will get a new video file without any subtitles. The original video remains unchanged, and the new file is saved in the D drive.
hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I'll show
This method only removes embedded subtitle tracks inside the video container. It does not affect hard-coded subtitles, because those are permanently burned into the video itself. So remember, use -SN when you want to strip soft subtitles from a video file. That's it for this quick tutorial. Now you know how to remove subtitles using FFmpeg in just one simple command. This is Full Course Online. Thanks for watching.
you